rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. And treat everyone with courtesy. Alone lies my happiness.
Good morning. Today's news headlines. The Telangana
ఈనుడిటి సూక్తి పని చేయకుండానే చేసినానే వాడు అదముడు, కొద్దిగా చేసి కొండంత చేసినానే చెప్పేవాడు గర్వపోతు, ఎంతో చేసి కొంచెమే చేసినానే చెప్పేవాడు సజ్జనుడు. ధన్యవాదాలు.
प्रणाम। आज का सुविचार। एक सच्चा लीडर वो होता है जो रास्ता जानता है, रास्ते पर चलता है और रास्ता
To all the children and teachers, hearty welcome all of you. Our auspicious occasion. Today we are celebrating our Inventors Day in our school for the academic year 22 and 23. A journey of 1,000 miles will start with the single step. Today our journey will take place. To start with the throughout the year, we have to continue our journey like this only. Invention ceremony is a platform to showcase the leadership qualities and titles. This ceremony is it is the most auspicious ceremony in our school schedule. Children, you all know, firstly said that leaders are not born, they are made. A person is like with all the qualities, determination, courage, with the planning, teamwork, decision making, organizational skills and communication skills, only can lead that group can lead a good leadership. They can lead happy and successful life in their lifestyle. You should remember two things: self-respect and respect others. These two are the same, two sides of the coin. It is a part and parcel of our life. A good leader is always have a vision. With that vision, he can come true his dreams. We can call him as him or her is a good leader. Always leaders should not only guide others, you have to inspire to many. See here, leader first you have one quality, that is the discipline. Discipline is the primary quality of all. One proverb you all remember, speaks more than words. This you have to remember. See, dear my captains and vice captains, I would like to request you all should be a kind, simple and caring. All the children under you all, these all the students, you all should treat like your brothers and sisters. Whatever the responsibility given by us, you have to teach them with the good discipline and good qualities. That I want. Leaders should be always, now these all the children, they will follow by your captains and vice captains. One more thing in your lifetime, you all should remember, be good and do good. This is my wish for all of you. You have to remember this. And children, this ask blessings of the Almighty or to shower His blessing, and each of us, you could, your all the whatever abilities, responsibilities, they can continue, captains and vice captains. Children, don't forget one motto of our school: duty and discipline. This is our school. You should not never forget. Wherever you will go, Sangamitra is always, they'll maintain a discipline. That word should be there in all. So once again, I'll congratulate all the captains and vice captains. Thank you all.
All present over here. I heartily welcome you all people for the most awaiting celebration in the school. As the school reopens, first celebration is investiture ceremony. We all will be waiting, students, teachers, captains, vice captains, everyone will be waiting for this day. The day has come. Today we are going to celebrate investiture ceremony. Investiture ceremony means, yes, selecting school cabinet, high school cabinet, primary cabinet. Today we are going to select, we have, means leader, already I have told. See, every one of us having something or the other quality, but leaders should have special qualities. Okay, leader should go with everyone. A leader is a person who knows the way, goes the way and shows the way to everyone. He should know, he should show, and he should go along with them. That person is said to be a leader. Based on that, we, Sangamitra, entire staff, we selected few children. Many are there, some 1,000, 1,050, 1,100 children are there. From 10th class, 9th class, 5th class, we have chosen few children as your captains and vice captains to lead the entire school. I hope you all feel happy, and others who are there should not discourage yourself. Okay, and many other activities are there. You can take part, you can work towards your group to get championship. This year, after so many years, after pandemic and law, after so many years, we are getting chance to celebrate investiture ceremony. Regular investiture ceremony we are celebrating, and we hope if everything is fine, all the co-curricular, curricular activities, your competition will go on in time, and this year you will enjoy our old thing, how it was their championship, everything, how was their ground, this ground, complete, total ground you will make use and you will enjoy throughout the academic year. And now it is the right time to announce captains of our 4 houses. We'll start with Shakti House. Shakti House captains, K. Sneha and Bhavani Shankar Reddy. Vice captains, M. Shrestha Reddy, M. Bhaskar Reddy. Pragati House captains, Uma Mahani, Kunj Palod. Pragati House vice captains, G. Shilpa and M. D. Zubair. Sahiti House captains, N. Mahati Reddy, M. Santosh. Sahiti House vice captains, A. Akhila, B. Charan Teja. Now, last but not the least, Yellow Group captain, that is Shanti House captain, Jufisha Arif Sheikh, Abdul Ghani. Yellow Group vice captains, B. Bhavyashri and K. Bhagat.
So today is the celebration of the Investors Day for the academic year 2022 and 23. So in the primary section, we'll be having only the captains. So the children of the primary children, the captains have been selected. Means you have to follow the rules and regulations what have been given guidance by the captains. So whatever, so captains, you have no right to beat them by, you just guide them. Any mistake done by the children, it is your duty to come to me. And see, for this academic year, this is the first program of the Investors Day. So after the Investors Day, we have many the programs in the class-wise. So there will be a sporty for you all to participate in the program, and the captains will be guiding you all and try to participate. Everyone will be participating in the program. So depending upon your performance, the captain, one of the group will be selected as a best of the whole year. Okay. So I welcome the captains for the Investors Day. So Shakti House, K. Pooja and Antul, Red Group. Pragati House, Tanudeep Reddy, B. Sai Sahasra. Sahiti House, Harika Mahalakshmi and Hamza. Shanti House, Sai Siddhartha and K. Sahasra.
ఇప్పుడు పశుపతి చిన్నది
Good morning, respected ma'am, sirs, teachers and my dear friends. Myself as Bhavani Shankar Reddy, the captain of the Shakti House. Firstly, I would like to thank all the teachers, HMM and school management for selecting me as the captain of the Shakti House. My father is S. Janardhan Reddy, he is a farmer. My mother is Mistress Shobha Reddy, she is a teacher. My hobbies are watching television and playing outdoor games. My aim is to become an IAS officer and I will strive hard to get my goal. I, as the captain of the Shakti House, will treat every member of my house as equal without any discrimination. I'll treat every member of my house as my own sibling. I'll try hard to justify the decision of the school management of making me as the captain of Shakti House as correct. Thank you.
Miss K. Sneha, daughter of K. Satish and K. Meenakshi, studying in class 10th. My father is working as a purchase manager at Mungi Engineers Private Limited and my mother is a homemaker. I usually spend my free time in reading biographies. My ambition is to become a software engineer and take up the Indian technology to the best level. I am striving my hard to reach my goal. I shall follow the responsibilities given to me. Today I am here as a captain of Shakti House. I feel my shoulders are heavy with responsibilities. This is all because of the entire school management. I'll surely be gratitude to everyone. Thank you.
Good morning, good morning, everyone present over here. This is Kunj Palod of class 10, son of Kamal Palod, who is a businessman, and Anjali Palod, who is a homemaker. I want to become a civil engineer. Currently, I spend my free time reading books, cooking, gardening, and also I love to follow cricket and Formula 1. As a captain of Pragati House, I'll make sure that the school's dignity will be intact under my leadership of Pragati House, and also I'll maintain friendly relations within my group and with other groups too. And I hope the same with my group mates. Lastly, I thank all my teachers for choosing me as the captain of Pragati House. Thank you.
Firstly, I thank respected madam and teachers for giving me this wonderful opportunity to represent myself. I am Sayyada Umama of class 10th B, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Sayyid Azim and Sayyida Raisunisa. My father is a businessman and mother a homemaker. My hobbies keep changing from time to time as there are so many things that intrigue my interest. My ambition is to become a teacher, as teachers are the persons who make tomorrow's leaders. And I have been very grateful to my teachers and my education system for making me the person I am today. As the captain of Pragati House, I promise to take all the responsibilities of my group. I promise I will build unity among my group members. I will be impartial, honest, and humble with my group members. I will encourage and motivate my group members to participate in all activities. I will maintain a smooth relationship with my group members. Lastly, I will try my best to be a good leader. Thank you.
Everyone present over here. Myself, M. Santosh of 10th A, hereby standing in front of you as a captain of Sahiti House, and that's Blue Group. My father is late Mr. M. Viresh, and my mother is M. Nirmala. She is an employee in Hatsan Agro Products. My hobbies are to read novels, write stories, and cook. My aim is to crack IIT and get a degree in aerospace engineering, and also master in subjects of astrophysics and quantum physics. Now, as a captain, I promise that I'll always maintain good discipline within my group and also with other group. I will always try to inspire my group members and motivate them in all high and low times. I'll pay attention to all the queries and problems of my group. I'll make myself and my group members to be respectful towards other group members and maintain a good sportsmanship such that it brings a good morality to our school. Now, I would like to conclude by thanking my madam and all my teachers for giving me this wonderful opportunity, and I promise that I'll do no less to get my group into top position and also make my group to be disciplined and with good integrity. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone present over here. Firstly, I want to thank respected madam and prestigious school staff for giving me the honor to represent Sahiti House and entrusting me with such responsibilities. I am N. Mahati Reddy of class 10 PM. My father, N. Vijayaram Reddy, who is a photographer, and my mother, N. Swapnashri, who is a homemaker. I love reading books, mostly classics and sci-fi, and I would want to be a civil servant and serve my nation till my last breath. Mahatma Gandhi once said, a great leader is not the one who says what to do, but shows how it's done. As the captain of Sahiti House, I promise each and every one of you that I'll stay with you through your thick and thin and maintain emotional and mental strength to suppress our challenges and make sure that there are no me and I, but we and us. Lastly, my beloved Sangamitrans, together we shall shine. The sky is our limit.
Good morning to one and all present over here. This is Abdul Ghani of 10th A, son of Mohammad Abdul Hadi, who is a pharmacist, and Mrs. Ishrat Yasmin, who is a homemaker. My aim is to become a pilot, and my hobbies are reading books, following esports and Formula 1. As a captain of Shanti House, I will always make sure that there is a good sportsmanship and a lovely brotherhood in the field and off the field, and I'll always make sure that everyone of the group gets each and every opportunity, and nobody is getting partialized in any of the
Everyone present over here. Firstly, I thank everyone for giving me this opportunity. My name is Rufisha Sheikh and I am a student of class 10th A. My father's name is Arif Sheikh and he is an employee in Alana Sense Private Limited. My mother's name is Rizwana Sheikh and she is a businesswoman. I usually spend my free time in making sketches and reading novels. My ambition is to become a fashion designer and start my own clothing brand. According to me, leadership is the ability to lead and guide the team. Rather than becoming a good speaker, I would like to become a good listener. As a captain of Shanti House, I will lead and motivate my team, give my 100% effort on every game and sport, and encourage people to make contribution to their own team. Thank you.
One and all, my name is Bhaskar. First of all, I thank my teachers and madam for giving me this great opportunity. My name is... It's my pleasure to introduce about myself. My name is K. Bhaskar Reddy, studying in 9th standard. My father's name is K. Anant Reddy and he is a farmer. My mother's name is Mrs. Lakshmi and she is a homemaker. My hobbies are to read books and play outdoor games. My aim is to become a soldier and I would try my best to become a soldier. As a vice captain of Shakti House, I would take all the responsibilities of our group. And I would be honest and treat everyone equally and impartially. As a student of Sangamitra, I will keep my school neat and clean. Lastly, I conclude that I will try my best to become a good vice captain. Thank you.
Good morning, respected madam and teachers present over here. I am MD Zubair of class 9th B as vice captain of Pragati House. My father name is MD Ibrahim. He is a businessman, and my mother name is Mrs. Aisha Siddiqa. She is a homemaker. And my hobbies are to play outdoor games and read horror stories. My aim is to become a successful person who likes to appreciate their parents and teachers' name throughout the world. Actually, I didn't accept it that I may become the captain or vice captain of Pragati House. Unfortunately, I have become it, so I want to follow the rules and make to follow the rules to others. At last, I want to conclude that I will try my best to be as the vice captain of Pragati House.
Myself G. Shilpa of class 9. Firstly, I thank correspondent madam, HM madam and teachers for giving me this opportunity. My father, G. Birappa, he's a retired army man and he's now a government employee. My mother, G. Nasamma, she's a teacher. My hobbies are drawing sketches and to know more about history. My aim is to join in the National Defence Academy and serve my country. As a vice captain of Pragati House, I will maintain good relationship with all other houses and follow the rules and regulations of the school. I will try to make others also to follow the rules and regulations. I'll be impartial and I will be respecting my teachers and sirs. I will execute my duties with utmost care and treat everyone equally. I will try to be a best vice captain of Pragati House. At last, I want to conclude that leadership is not in position, it is in action. Thank you.
Madam, sirs, teachers and all my dear friends. Firstly, I would thank Madam and all the teachers for giving me this wonderful opportunity. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. I am A. Akila of class 9th. My father is Mr. A. Anjanna. He is an employee of Trade and Sugar Factory. My mother is A. Rukmini. She is a homemaker. My hobbies are to play outdoor games, reading books and watching movies. My ambition is to become a neurosurgeon. As a vice captain of Sahiti House, I'll be impartial while taking decisions, and my vision is not only restricted to Sahiti House, but I'll try to make every student to follow our school rules and core values, which will in turn help in building our school reputation. Lastly, I would like to conclude that as a vice captain of Sahiti House, I'll try my level best to be a good vice captain and lead all in a right.
Madams and teachers present over here. Firstly, I want to thank all the teachers for giving me this great opportunity and electing me as a vice captain of Sahiti House. Today is a very great day because I have selected as a vice captain of Sahiti House. So I want to share a few things about me. My name is B. Chiranteja. I study in grade 9. Mine is, I have a nuclear family. My mother is a teacher. Her name is B. Shobha. My father is Mr. Siddhaya. He is an advocate. I like to travel new places. I like to visit the places. I like to travel, watch movies, and enjoy my time. As a vice captain, I follow all my rules and regulations and make my group, not only my group, but I want to make my whole school proud by following all the rules and regulations. I want to make the school as I want to increase the reputation of my school.
Good morning, one and all present here. Respected madam, teachers and all my dear friends. I would first like to thank my madam and teachers who elected me as a vice captain of Shanti House. As you know or don't know my name is K. Bhagat of grade 9th B. My father's name is K. Baswaraj. He is an Indian Army soldier. My mother's name is K. Kavita. She is an housemaker. And my hobby is building myself. And my aim is to make my country from developing to developed stage. And a boss is a person who gives orders from the behind and make his team work hard. But a leader is a person who leads his team from the front and plays a major role in the team's victory. So I would show the difference between a boss and the leader. Thank you.
Present over here. First, I would like to thank Principal Ma'am, all my teachers for electing me as a Vice Captain of Shanti House. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. I'm B. Bhavyashree, daughter of Mr. Praveen Kumar and Mrs. Swapna. My father is a businessman and my mother is a housemaker. My aim is to become the world's famous fashion designer and make my parents proud. My hobbies are dancing, painting, etc. I have one brother who studies in this school in 7th class. His name is Priyansh. I'm very glad for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I'll try my level best and treat everyone equally and not showing partiality towards anyone. I always try to be respectfully, disciplined, honestly, sincerely. At last, I conclude that I promise you all to work hard and be the best captain and make my teachers' parents proud of me. Thank you.
And all, my name is K. Pooja, studying in grade 5th. Firstly, I would like to thank madam and teacher for giving me this opportunity. My father K. Satish works as a purchase manager. My mother K. Meenakshi is a homemaker. Painting and reading books are my hobbies. My aim is to become a doctor. As a captain of Shakti House, I promise that I shall be impartial to everyone. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Amtul Hadi. I am studying 5th B of Sangamitra High School. My father's name is Muhammad Javed Ahmed. My mother's name is Samina Firdos. My father works in Mahindra Company and he is called as engineer. My mother is a teacher in Brilliant Public School. My ambition is to become a surgeon. As a captain of Shakti House, I always follow my school's principle, save Dharma, Dharma saves you. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. I am Sandeep Reddy, studying in 5th B. My father name is S. Sandeep Reddy. My mother name is V. Sabita Reddy. My hobbies are to play outdoor games, cinemas, playing outside. I want to become a soldier. Thank you.
One and all, my name is B. Sai Sahasra. My father is a bank manager in Canara Bank. My father name is B. Raghavendra. My mother is a teacher in Adarshya Vidyalaya. My hobbies are to paint and draw. I love to play outdoor games. My aim is to become a doctor.
I am studying in grade 5th A of Sangamitra High School. My father name is Mohammad Irshad. My mother name is Rizwana Begum. My hobbies are playing, writing, reading. I want to become a IPS officer. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Anarka Malakshmi. I am studying in 5th A of Sangamitra High School. My father name is N. Arvind Kumar. He works in, he is a businessman. My mother name is N. Sangeeta. She is a housewife. My hobbies are playing and painting. My aim is to become an architect. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Yan Sai Siddhartha, studying in grade 5th of Sangamitra High School. My father's name is Yan Anil Kumar. My mother's name is G. Anusha. My hobbies are playing, watching TV and dancing. My aim is to become an actor. As a captain of Shanti Group, I promise that I will treat every primary child as my brother and sister. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. My name is K. Sahasra. I am studying in grade 5th C of Sangamitra High School. My father name is K. Shrikant. My mother name is K. Ashwini. My father is a government employee. My mother is a homemaker. My hobbies are reading, writing and playing. My aim is to become a teacher. As a Shanti house captain, I'll treat every child as my brothers and sisters. Thank you.
I, Jyotisha, captain of Shanti House, hereby solemnly declare that I shall discharge my duties and responsibilities entrusted to me to the best in all honesty, sincerity and integrity.
Respondent ma'am, HMs, teachers and all who worked behind the curtain to make this event a grand success. Thank you one and all.
Bye.